Today we got a 2025 G63 AMG. What's up guys, it's Leo from Cali Car Society. Today we got a 2025 G63 AMG Nardo Gray. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk around of the car and do a quick little POV for you guys. If you guys are brand new and love to see videos like this, car videos, POV videos, lifestyle, car lifestyle videos, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get straight into this video. Right here we got a Nardo Gray G63 AMG, brand new. It got a matte clear bra, so technically this car out the dealership was a glossy gray, and yeah, it was clear broughted to make it a matte finish. So it's pretty sick. It's fully loaded. It got the upgraded rims, got the V8 bi-turbo on it. Let's go ahead and check out the inside of the car real quick. It got the carbon fiber steering wheel, as you can see, carbon fiber middle console, carbon fiber right here as well, sunroof right here, and yeah, it's black interior, nothing too crazy, but at the end of the day, for G-Wagons, it can be that it's always crazy, you know, like these type of G-Wagons are always showstoppers, you know. Yeah, it ain't a G-Wagon until you gotta go ahead and slam this door, because if you guys are not familiar with G-Wagons, that's the only way to be able to close that door completely. And let's go ahead and get straight into the POV of the car. Let's hop in. Yeah, it sounds pretty crazy, guys. Let's go ahead and put this car all right, I'm gonna have to lower this down. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but let's go ahead and put this truck in Sport Plus. Let's go ahead and hear this car out and see how it sounds. Yeah, it's completely stock, guys. The only thing added onto this, like I said, was the matte finish clear bra, and we threw on some tints. But yeah, nothing too special during the day, but just like any other Mercedes, you already know at night the interior of this car it's just in your face. Very nice interior at night. But yeah, let's get straight into this POV, guys. Yeah, not to mention to adjust the seat and stuff like that. If you guys are in the market of getting a G-Wagon and you're not that familiar on how all the mechanics work on the G-Wagon, yeah, pretty much everything that you need to go ahead and adjust the seat, it's going to be on your left side. We got the cool seats and the heated seats, unlock and lock, and obviously we got the window options right here where you could just up and down on it. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys rate this AMG G63 G-Wagon. Is this something that you guys see yourself in, or would you guys prefer a different SUV, like more truck, like a TRX, Hellcat Durango, or like I don't know, just let me know down in the comments what you guys think and what you guys prefer. guys, we just came to a complete stop. I just did like a quick little POV for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video right here. Nothing too crazy. I didn't want to go too crazy with the truck, because at the end of the day, it is a truck. It is pretty quick, and this isn't a 0 to 60 video, or I'm not racing this truck or anything like that. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the feel and how this car does drive. It is pretty spacious. So if you guys are in the market of getting a G-Wagon like this, I highly recommend it. If you guys are in the position to grab one, I highly recommend grabbing one, because it is spacious, they do hold their value, and they're pretty quick. And at the end of the day, you guys cannot go wrong with the AMG G63 G-Wagon, because I mean, like, bro, everyone talks about this car, and like it's listed as one of like the top trucks like on sale right now, besides like something crazier. But in regards to like Mercedes, this is like their holy grail right here. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more POVs, car content, hit that subscribe button, guys. My name's Leo from Cali Car Society, and I'll see you guys on the next one.